Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm not sure if you saw my video where I had a large rainbow high doll haul from Walmart where I got to the register. This doll was marked $15.32, but when I got to the register she was $5 and some change. So I went back and bought more, and then I had already bought her on sale for $21.88, I think it was. And I took that doll back and got it for the $5 and whatever change it is. Because I have multiple of this doll, we're gonna unbox this girl, and I'm gonna set her in. When I'm working on dolls, I have a TV tray type wooden table that I put dolls lined up on between myself on the recliner and the TV so that I can glance at them and my mind starts working while I'm not working on it subconsciously about some ideas of what I can do with the dolls. So that's where she's headed. I won't pull her stand out. I prefer that Darren make her one. So let's get her out. I am not disappointed. Whoa, her leg's a little loose there. Loosey-goosey. You know what happens? They cram clothes across. When you dress your dolls, if you cram clothes back in this area, it'll unhinge or loosen your hips, and that's what's happened. This skirt, I'll bet you, was tight and they crammed it on up. That's disappointing. But let's look and see how far the knees go. Oh, not far at all. Huh. They look like they do, but they don't. I don't care. That's just fine. I do like her second outfit better than her first outfit, but I'm actually going to make her something, so I'm not concerned about it. The hair is full of product. It's like, well, I'm not going to say it. It's gross. But I don't know what I'm doing yet. I want to do something different. I'm kind of thinking about taking some of the hair plugs out of this doll and adding like a bright pink, neon pink to go with that. I don't know yet, but I really like her. She is such a pretty doll. So if you would like to get a Karma on sale, try your Walmart. I got her for just over $5. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.